I did hear the baby yell. Somebody call 911.
She came to me. How many people are going to ask me the same question? Do not manhandle me. I'm setting all my stuff down. You can't hurt me enough today.
Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands!
You've been molesting my kids and me. One out. This isn't even a police station. You can't arrest me.
Thing went down.
When she first was disrespectful, yes.
When police arrived, the kids were already too afraid to speak. Chaos filled every moment, and fear had taken away the children's voices. As officers tried to make sense of what was happening, the kids stood frozen, too scared to speak, too overwhelmed to react. What followed was a critical intervention to pull them out of a reality no child should ever have to endure. This is when police rescue kids from a chaotic household as parents, lash out at police. The first incident is that cops rescue two kids living with their extremely toxic mom.
We're grabbing me very hard.
She threatened to kill all of us in the house if I ever screamed in this house.
I'm under arrest. Do not manhandle me. I'm setting all my stuff down. I am, but you are manhandling me.
On March 11, 2024, officers responded to a residential disturbance after neighbors reported prolonged yelling and sounds of a physical altercation inside the home.
Thing went down.
When she first was disrespectful, yes.
So I talked to the girls, and then Jacob talked to the mom. So just give you the lowdown. So the oldest girl is 13. I did not do a sworn.
The older child reports the argument escalated after a disagreement over food preparation, leading to a physical confrontation. Officers observe visible injuries and document them according to procedure.
With her yet, but basically she says her mom told her to make eggs for her friend Roscoe, who's not here. He apparently left during this, but he lives nearby. Anyway, she was making the eggs for the friend. Daughter says mom told her to put sour cream in it or whatever. She didn't do it right, and then mom got mad at her. She said she was probably mad because the attitude she gave her as she left the room. But anyway, apparently mom got mad. She says mom started hitting her with her hands, her feet, and her fists. That continued. The little sister got involved, tried to pull mom off. The sister grabbed her by the hair and stuff. I will tell you that
officers photograph injuries and gather background information, including prior household conflicts. No previous child welfare reports were confirmed at that time.
12-year-old has a very good bite mark right here where that broke the skin. There's skin missing. I've already photographed that with a scale. She also has a bloody lip. She says that continued. Said mom tried to hit her with a broom multiple times. She said they've had prior issues, but she says Leo and DCF have not been called before. And then the younger daughter.
Neighbors provide witness statements describing sustained yelling sounds of impact and hearing the children call for help before contacting police.
She knows that a thing occurred and that they were fighting, and she tried to pull her off. So I don't know about the younger one's 7. I don't know about her statement. Yeah. She was on her sister's bed, so I'm not sure. The one sister said she said mom threw her iPods away when she was mad and said she went to call her dad, and mom broke the phone, but neither here nor there. She wasn't calling 911 or anything like that at the time.
She didn't get into the whole what started it. She said daughter was being disrespectful, so she told her you're not going to talk to me that way, and took her phone from her. As she turned around to walk away, daughter kicked her in the back. And so she told her friend, hey, you can go, you don't need to be here for this, I'm just going to discipline her and take care of this. And that's when she said daughter went ape shit and started screaming and carrying on, making a bunch of scene out of it, but she does have blood on her left hand. And I was like, what is that from? She goes, oh, that's from my daughter.
Where's the witness? I'm not sure. He was talking to 2 guys when I walked up, but I didn't make it over there yet.
The next door neighbors in the blue house called as well. Okay. So we had callers. They said that they had heard them going for 30 minutes inside the house. They never saw anything, but said they could hear them fighting inside the house for about 30 minutes before we showed up.
Officers separate all parties, ensure the children are safe, and arrange supervision while continuing the investigation.
Happened to see all this by chance?
No, I didn't see it, but I heard it.
You heard it?
I did. Me and my father were standing outside just talking, and we heard a bunch of commotion and hitting against the walls, and he was like, somebody gonna break that window. No, that was just right now.
Yeah, well, we heard the...
And we could hear the yelling. I did hear the baby yell. Somebody called 911. But I have a 16-year-old daughter. Sure. And I know how, it can be, and they can get so. But then when the door opened, the little baby ran out the door, and I went and grabbed her. And then shortly after, that's when everybody else came out.
Okay.
But we could hear the commotion. I did hear the older daughter saying, "Someone help," and "Someone please call the police." The other neighbor heard the same thing, so that was when he called the police. I walked down and asked him, "Are you calling the police?" He said, "Yeah." And we basically just kind of kept the kids over here until the police arrived.
The older child provides a sworn statement describing repeated attempts to escape the situation and seek help outside the home.
I'm Officer Bryant. How are you? You okay? You can take your time.
Catch your breath. As soon as we're done with all this, your stepmom's just pulling up, and we're gonna get over to you. That way, you're not by yourself. Okay?
Do you swear or affirm the statement that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened then?
I was making coffee for one of her friends, and then I was making eggs for her friend, and then I went to go hand it to him, and she was like, "You," and then I went crying to her bedroom. She came in there ripping my AirPods out and was like, "I'm gonna beat you, I'm gonna beat you, I'm gonna beat you." And then she told me to give her my phone, and I refused to give her my phone because she don't pay for it. And after that, I went to my bedroom and I sat in there, and then she came in there and went on top of me. And so first it happened in that back room right there, as you could see the window, and she got on top of me and started beating me. I went to my room finally, and then she came to my bedroom and started beating me even more. After all that beating, I went to the living room and kicked her because self-defense. It broke off again in there, and then I went to my bedroom, sat down, and she was just keep beating me, and then grabbed a broom and was beating me with the broom. And then I was keep trying to go outside. I was like, "Let me out, let me out, let me out. I want to go out." And then after 5 minutes, I finally got her. She started running outside to here, and then I went outside, and then I was like, "God, someone please, someone call 911. Help, help." She was keep coming up to me. It was like,
Officers interview the mother who acknowledges disciplining the child but disputes aspects of the child's account. Miranda rights are read due to the nature of questioning.
back inside, now you're gonna have more consequences.
And Corporal Blair was in on the police department. She said she feels nice and comfortable with you, so if you and Officer Baker here don't mind hanging tight, we're gonna have them sit tight here with us for just a minute until Dad gets here. And we're gonna go interview my
at his truck right now, so we should be here probably traffic is moving, so 20 minutes.
No worries. We got nothing but time. We just want to make sure that
Okay.
so if you want to hang tight with them and Officer Baker here, we'll give you an update as soon as we have one, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Well,
I'm recording.
yeah, no worries. We're also recording, and if you want...
we all are on the
same page.
Yep.
Absolutely. If you end up wanting any of our body cam footage,
I
super
know
easy
how
to get a
to
hold of.
subpoena it. Yep, I do public records on a daily basis.
Easy. Cool.
very
Just wanted to
much
make sure you were clear on it. So you live here, correct?
Yes.
And then the two girls we have in the car are both your daughters?
These are both my daughters. Yes.
Alrighty. Does anybody else stay here in the house?
Just me and my daughters.
Just you and your daughters?
Yep.
Is anybody else here at the time that this whole thing went down?
When she first was disrespectful, yes. She kicked me. That person left and wants nothing to do with it. And I can't force anybody to come back. Just like I can't force that child to not scream and carry on and hit me and carry on.
Yeah, absolutely. So what I am going to do is request a sworn statement from you. Are you willing to provide one about what happened?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. I mean, I feel like I've made a statement. Where's Officer Baker? I mean, I made a statement to him already. So I've said everything.
Well, we just got to get the official one. We're the ones actually working your call.
His little thing that he was, what was he doing then? If he was
So he's getting an initial, but we like to get a sworn one if we can. That way we're locked in on the truth, and nothing about the truth.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are going to ask me the same question?
Unfortunately, with stuff like this, you're going to get a little bit of repetition, okay?
Yeah, so body
Just bear
cam
with
all
us.
you wear.
Yep.
It has every statement that I've said on it thus far.
Absolutely.
So back from
But
there,
I'm the
those
one
are all
writing.
sworn statements.
I'm the one writing the report,
Correct.
so I like to make
Are
sure
those
that I
all
can.
sworn statements you said on it?
No, they're not.
So there are statements on the left that you have on audio recording
Right.
and video.
So I'm the one writing the report. I want to make sure I have the clearest image of what's going on, right?
Alright.
If I'm going to be the one telling the story.
All right, so
So,
I've told the story now.
so this is going to be a sworn, tape-recorded interview taken by a law enforcement officer pursuant to Florida Statute 117.10. If you will, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm the statement you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Based on physical evidence, witness accounts, and statements, officers determine probable cause for arrest.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Before we get into it, Just because I feel like a reasonable person probably wouldn't feel like they're free to go, even though you're standing at the door of your house.
Great.
I'm just going to read off your Miranda warnings, so I'm sure that you've heard them. They don't mean that you're under arrest, but because we're asking you what could be incriminating questions, and I don't feel like you're free to go, I want to make sure you know them, okay?
Very best.
So, you have the following rights under the United States Constitution. You do not have to make a statement or say anything. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Those rights in mind, are you still willing to talk to me?
No, I'd like to play present if you want to say
Totally fair. Absolutely. So what we are going to do at this point is, if you would, place your hands behind your back.
I am under arrest. Hold on.
Yes, you are.
Do not manhandle me. I'm
Do
setting
not-
all my stuff down.
do
I
not
am,
tense
but
up.
you are manhandling me.
Do not tense up.
My house, get my wallet.
We will deal with that in just a moment. Is there anything out of the house you want? Come with you. Your wallet? Where's it at?
Right there on the couch.
Attention.
Wallet. Yeah, I need shoes.
Absolutely. Where are your shoes at?
Shoes are in there as well. Can you just
Absolutely. We can set it aside.
Are you going?
Yeah, of course.
Can I make a call to...
Not right this second, no. You can make a call from the jail.
Oh, I'll jump off the phone.
I'm gonna hurt yourself.
I'll hurt myself if I need to. The kid hurt me enough today. Thank you. I'm so glad
They
this
could come
child
down.
gets to learn. Once again, she gets to do what she wants. Congratulations. You are hurting.
we're gonna have
grabbing me very hard.
because you're trying to
I
yank.
haven't yanked.
That's why I told you to slow down.
Calm. I've been super calm.
All right, just have a seat for us.
I just wanted to kind of keep you guys in the loop. We got fire checking out the kids. Mom's going to jail based on our investigation. I can't keep too in depth with it because it's still active. But I want
The children are medically evaluated and later released to a responsible adult with resources provided for follow-up support.
to thank you guys for taking care of the kids, for calling and for speaking with us. It does mean a lot because those kids need it.
They did. It seems like they did.
Yeah, absolutely. I just wanted to give my heartfelt thanks.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, guys.
All right. You want to ask her your ED supplement questions? Kids? Yeah, absolutely.
He just needs a couple more questions. And then
Has your mother ever threatened to kill you or use a weapon against you?
Yes.
Yes? All right, could you explain that for me?
It was a couple months back. She threatened to kill all of us in the house if I ever screamed in this house ever again.
She threatened to
All of us.
Okay. If you ever screamed at her again?
It screamed in the house.
Screamed in the house, okay.
Yeah, and I don't know if she said out of anger or
Has your mom ever strangled or choked you?
I don't know if this is kind of choking, but like getting on top of me and covering my mouth.
You on top of you covering your mouth? And could you go into detail on that too?
Like she goes like both hands and her whole body force on me.
Okay. Does your mom have access to any firearms or any weapons?
Yes, there's in the house.
There's in the house?
I don't know where, but there's knives in the house.
You don't know where? Okay.
Well, I know where her knife is.
You know where her knife
The
is?
knife is on like the. I don't know if it's still there, if she moved it, but it's on like the orange thing and it's sitting up on it.
In the living room? Okay. Has your mom ever attempted or threatened to commit suicide?
Yes.
She threatened to commit suicide. Okay. When was this? Was this recent?
When my Pepe died.
Okay.
Mom is being placed under arrest for domestic battery and for child abuse. And there's a chance we have some more charges coming down the line after we review a couple of the details. But she's already in cuffs, going to be headed up to jail. We don't personally do that. It'd be something that the court can decide if they want to mandate. That being said, you have your ID on you. We can't release the children, unfortunately, until we run you, make sure you're not a wanted or something. As soon as you come back free and clear and we get your phone number taken down, we're going to release the kids to you and send you on your way. Do you have any questions?
You guys have the card, right?
Yeah, I'm going to grab you some paperwork here in just a second.
And if we can get the case number, the reference
It'll be on
number.
there.
Okay, perfect.
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely.
And then everything start to finish is all open on BodyCam as well. That case number we give you, you'll be able to get all of our BodyCams so you can see everything start to finish. Yeah, and I just wanted to touch base with you, let you know neither one of you are in any kind of trouble. So more than anything, we have been worried and sick about you. Thankfully, you were good neighbors. They called us. Some other neighbors were calling us. I just wanted to check about any trouble. That's why we were so urgent on wanting to get your dad down here, get your stepmom down here, get your talking to you. I know this is try and get you out of here in the next few minutes. Thank you, sir. And then the guy, just for you guys to keep, it's got Officer Bryant's name, badge number, and the case number on the front. And then I highly recommend.
The toxic mom was charged with domestic violence, battery, and child abuse. Remember, ongoing family stress can escalate rapidly when conflicts are handled through confrontation rather than communication. Community intervention and timely reporting play a critical role in protecting vulnerable individuals. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. I'm glad the neighbors stepped in when they heard the kids calling for help. This shows how important it is to take children's voices seriously. The officers handled a very emotional situation carefully and professionally. I think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when police save kid and parents as extremely irresponsible mother snaps.
Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands!
I refuse! They've been molesting my kids and me. I want out. This isn't even a police station. You can't arrest me. I want.
On November 26, 2022, officers responded to a residence following a report of a woman breaking into her parents' home and taking a child she does not have legal custody of.
Hello? Oh, okay. So
It's rather easier to, but everyone's on in the back door.
Okay.
And that's where the glass went. I'm the sister.
Okay.
Sorry. Not the one who called.
Okay.
But I'm assuming she kind of has the report that pops up when you guys run her name. I feel like you guys have been here
For Bianca?
For Bianca.
Yeah, I mean, we've dealt with her before, but I'm not exactly sure the extent of what's going on right now.
So this is what had broken through. We weren't sure if like we needed to leave it.
Yeah, probably should. So what's going on around here today?
Well, we had a good day. We took our grandson bowling and then got home and Bianca came over and wanted to come in.
Okay.
And I told her no because she was here last night and hit him.
Okay.
And I told her not today and she said, well, Saturday's my day to see him. And I said, not today.
Okay.
And so she tore the screen door off the latch and then she broke the glass and came in and grabbed him and took off.
Okay.
She doesn't have custody of him.
Right.
And so the dog was upset. He tore my pants.
Okay. So where did she go?
She's next door.
She's next door at the house. Okay.
Officers confirmed that the grandparents have legal custody through child services and that the woman has no authorized visitation at that time.
I went over and I got Eli.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she doesn't have any custody of him at all?
Not at all.
So she just broke in and then took him?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you both live here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And she's just...
She's my daughter, my granddaughter.
Bianca's sister. Said something about the courts are involved in this in some way. Do you know anything about that? Were they involved in the custody?
I got
Well, we
I
have
have
yeah.
legal custody of Brighton.
Okay.
He's 10.
And the legal custody of Eli is ongoing
Yeah.
because they couldn't find his father and they had to go through
So I have
certain
custody of
steps
him
by trying to find him first.
Okay. So he's Eli?
But we do have custody of Eli through child services.
Okay. And that's who she broke in and grabbed?
Yes.
Is Eli. I got another officer coming. We'll probably have to go over there and talk to her. I mean...
Family members describe escalating behavior, including prior physical confrontations and growing concern for safety.
Based on this, I mean, if she doesn't have authority to be here, she doesn't have him, I mean, we have some pretty serious charges that we could take her on right now. Is that what you guys want to do? Like,
I don't know what
do
to
you want?
do. I don't know what to do because like he left her in last night because she had brought back Brighton's sweatshirt and then she ended up hitting him.
Okay.
And that's the second time she's hit him.
Okay.
Yeah, she's like
Yeah, and I had to physically remove her out of the house.
Yeah.
Are you wanting anything done about this? Because I know, like, previously we come out here, usually nothing, no charges are going to be pressed. So, I mean, is that the case today, or?
Like, the thing is here, if we go over there and we take her, and you guys are not willing to fill out statements or wanting to show up to court, I mean, then she's just going to get out.
Yeah, it's good.
And she's going to have more access to whatever you guys are talking about.
It's a relative that we're still trying to hope for the best. So it's that's the reason why the up in the air charges because we're not.
Officers assess the situation as high risk due to reported instability and possible impairment and determine intervention is necessary.
I'm not sure what the best bet is for someone in
She's
the
getting,
situation.
The thing is that she's getting very physical.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Especially
she's
on the
come
drugs,
over
yeah.
and gone upstairs, pushed me, hit her dad twice.
Yeah.
And she's just getting more and more. And this today is, I mean, she's just getting more and more physical.
I mean, like that. What happened today is unacceptable. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like people don't have to live here in fear of her coming over here, breaking your stuff, and stealing a child. Like that's pretty outlandish. I mean, that's.
Yes.
You want charges? Okay. I'm gonna get a hold of one of our like higher ups to make sure we're getting the right charges done. We're gonna have you fill out witness statements and stuff too. Okay.
Okay.
What did her physical appearance look like? Did you when you saw her in here?
She's scary looking.
Okay. What I'm asking is, did she look like she was possibly high on drugs, drunk, anything like that?
She's not drunk. If she's either high on something or she's coming off.
Okay. Did she appear
wild?
She appeared wild. So I guess when
Police locate the woman at a nearby residence and issue repeated commands for her to come out with her hands visible.
getting at is, did she appear to? She could look like she could cause harm to others or herself.
Yes.
When you saw her.
Yes.
Yeah. Did she have a look in her eye? Like you said, she had that deer in headlights look. You know, do you think, in her state right now, is she a risk to herself or others possibly if she was around other people right now?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Police!
We'll wait till we'll have her open.
Yeah, we'll at least get her out of the way.
Swings towards Officer Wagner.
Did she lock it?
I don't think so.
Try to push the handle down real hard. There you go. Alright. We'll have you step back, and then he's gonna help you out. Good luck. Hold up right here and wait for it to happen.
Franklin, please.
Police Department, Bianca, where you at? Make yourself known! Bianca, Police Department, come on down!
Bianca. We know you're here. Come on down with your hands up.
Bianca, where are you at? Come out with your hands up. New Franklin Police. New Franklin Police.
Bianca.
Quick, show me your hands right now!
The woman is taken into custody after initially refusing commands and making verbal accusations against family members.
Hold your hands! Show me your hands! Put the bag down! Put the bag down! Put the bag down! Turn around!
Oh, I didn't do it.
Turn around! Here, I'm going. Turn around.
I didn't do anything.
Turn around right now. Put your fire back. Don't reach for nothing. Don't reach for nothing.
I don't have anything.
You're under arrest for burglary and kidnapping.
Burglary?
For
what? No! I refuse.
Get on. Get on. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over.
No! That is my proof! That bag needs to be taken back.
Hold on.
I didn't burgle you!
Turn around. Behind her back. Behind her back. Right in the corner.
Ground!
Go ahead. I got Kimura. You're going to be tough. Go ahead.
Those people are molesting my children. They've been molesting me.
Secured.
They've been molesting my kids and me.
Yeah,
Please, I have the proof in that backpack, please.
Sit up. Sit up. It's over. Relax.
Please, they're molesting my kids.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Bianca,
Please, I have
stop.
the proof in that backpack, please. I swear to God.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do you have any injuries?
Officers conduct a safety check, advise her of her rights, and attempt to de-escalate while securing personal belongings.
Do you want to get checked out? Do you have anything that's hurting you?
Down.
Listen to me. I'm asking you questions. Do you have anything? Do you have anything that you want to get checked out?
Please, my kids.
Bianca, I asked you a question. Answer my question. Do you have any medical emergencies at this time? Bianca, do you have any medical emergencies at this time? What's wrong?
Relax.
Bianca, I asked you a question. Please give me an answer.
Alright, she's good.
They've been trying to kill me.
All right, listen. We're gonna take you out.
Backpack,
Stand up.
Where's the backpack? We'll get the backpack. All right.
Stand up.
Ready? We're gonna stand you up on three.
My children and me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you got any weapons?
You got anything on you?
I'm just gonna pat you down, okay?
Look, you got breathing. Okay, it's okay.
Nothing?
Alright.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna walk you out, okay? Just breathe.
Please take that bag back.
We're gonna get the book back.
No, please. It's
I told you we were gonna go back.
Please.
Let's go. Come on.
My kids are okay.
We're gonna talk about it in a minute.
Good officer.
No, it's okay. Go that way. Go promise I'll be fine. Go
All
on.
right. Then we'll go this way.
Watch your steps.
I'm fine.
You sure you don't want to eat shoes?
Trying to break out of my house.
Okay, fine.
Please take that bag back, please. It's my
We will.
What do you want out of the backpack? What's all in there?
Oh, that's my evidence against my children, against everything and what they're doing to
Can
me.
you calm down? I just gotta tell you something real quick, okay?
Please,
All right.
you don't understand.
I understand. Can
Take
you
that
stop?
back.
Can you let? We will give it back. Can you listen to what I have to say? All right. Calm down. You can either afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Hold on. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights.
The woman continues to dispute the arrest challenge's police authority and refuses to cooperate during processing.
Not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand the rights that I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please take that back.
Having these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to us about this incident that happened over here? Yes?
If you take that back, you have to take that back. That's
Promise.
the only proof I have.
Okay.
It's the only evidence is what they're trying to do me for. Please don't let them have it. They've been doing it to me.
Okay. All right. We'll get that
Please.
back. I promise we'll get that back, okay?
You didn't have a search warrant to enter my house. It's not okay. So let me see the search warrant.
Listen, if you cooperate with us, I'll let you have a phone call, or else, you know. If
I
you
am
don't want to-
cooperating.
I know, I'm just saying, nobody
Let
want
me
to
see.
argue about it.
No,
or
you're
whatever.
threatening me. That's what you're doing.
I'm not going to.
I want to go home. You don't have any proof.
That's not going to happen, right?
Yes, it is going to happen. You don't. No, I'm not. You don't have any proof. You don't have any evidence, and you didn't have a search warrant to enter my house. I actually am able to walk out this door. Do you believe?
You can't.
Yes,
no,
I can.
No,
What charges do you have?
We got you.
What charges do you have?
We told you multiple
No,
times.
you didn't.
Kidnapping and burglary.
You can't.
And then
You
also.
came busting in my house, right? Did you see me with any kids?
Resisting
Did you
arrest.
see me with
too.
any kids?
Didn't have to.
Did you see me with any kids?
Relax.
No. You're not charging me with this.
You want to go back in there?
No.
Okay.
I'm actually allowed to walk out, and I know you're preventing me from doing it. Yes, I am. You're going to call the FBI. You call applicants. You didn't have a
I got
search
the
warrant. You're not
codes.
taking me anywhere.
I got them. What do you need?
This is falsifying evidence.
We were doing abduction. 290502. Here, stand over
No.
here, okay? Stand over there,
Make me.
please.
No.
I don't want to have to go hands on with you, okay? Please just stand over
No, I want to see the proof. I didn't even have kids with me.
Bianca?
No. You're lying. You weren't with me a couple months ago. You've never been out with me. I want out. This isn't even a police station.
Listen.
No, I want my phone call.
I'm gonna just put you in there.
I want my phone call.
Here, go
I
in
want
there.
no.
Go in there.
I want my phone call.
Yeah.
This is illegal. This is illegal, and the more you do, turn on your body cam.
It's already on.
No, it's not. You turn it off.
Camera's right here.
Turn it on.
Everything's on.
Turn it on.
It
I
is
heard
on.
you turn it
I
off.
turned it on. See that little cord thing right there?
Turn it back on.
It's on.
It's not red.
It's on.
It's not red. I
It's
heard you
on.
turn it off.
All right, whatever. I turned it on.
Okay.
And this is always recording too.
All right, what's the other one?
Can you not sit
Falsifying-
on that table, please?
No.
Please.
You're
Get up.
falsifying evidence. I'm gonna
Bianca,
fucking
get off
watch.
the table,
No.
please. Bianca, please get off the
No,
table.
you're not doing anything nice for me.
Bianca,
You're falsifying evidence.
all right. Don't sit on the table, please. You had an accident.
Yeah,
and you're
thanks
gonna
to
have
you.
dirt all over the table, okay? All right, and then do you want the resisting too?
I actually didn't
Let me do
resist.
this one first.
God, the more you guys just rack up your own charges, don't you?
We're trying to arrest you for something.
You
and
can't
then
arrest
say
me.
that
You
refuse.
can't arrest me.
Okay.
You can't arrest me. You did not have
Hey,
any
listen,
right to
save
enter
it
that
for court,
house.
okay?
Oh, no,
Save it
no,
for
no, no. You're going to give me a call right now.
I'm not right now.
Yes, you are.
Go sit in there.
No.
We have to
Let's sit you there.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, what's the other one?
I want my call.
All right, the resisting's 292133.
Officers complete the arrest and confirm multiple charges based on the incident and prior statements.
You didn't even ask me my name or my social security number.
No, you are.
No, you don't. You're not even allowed to do that. That's illegal.
It's not illegal.
The fuck it isn't. You guys even had to read it off a card to give me my Miranda rights, and you didn't even do it correctly.
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't.
Listen, we're not going to argue with you.
Say it. Say your rights.
I already told you.
No, you didn't. You read them off a card, and you didn't say them the right way. And actually, where's my lawyer? Because you're not allowed to take me anywhere without a lawyer.
Well, you'll have your day in court, okay?
No, where's my lawyer?
You'll see.
That was a part of the Miranda rights you read me, right?
Yeah,
I want
you're
the
allowed
lawyer.
to having a lawyer.
You're not allowed to take me
No,
anywhere without
that's
it.
her questioning. You don't
No,
have to talk to us.
you're not allowed to take me to county
You're
or do
talking.
anything.
Everything you're saying right now, you're saying freely.
I know I am,
Okay, so-
and it's proving that you guys are guilty.
I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
I know you're not. I want my lawyer. You're not taking me to county without it. You don't have proof. And you're not taking my fingerprints.
Yeah, you don't want to take fingerprints?
Nope. You have no fucking legal right to them.
Perfect. All right, cool. Well, here, go back to
No.
the cell, okay?
I want
All
my
right, listen,
lawyer.
If you don't go in
I
that cell,
want
we're gonna
my
have to
lawyer.
go in that cell, okay?
I want my lawyer. It's in my
Lawyer
legal
doesn't
right.
matter if you go in the cell or not, so you
Actually,
want to go
it
in the
does.
cell or not.
Yes, it does.
Right here. Bianca, we
You
can do this
didn't
the
have a search warrant.
Listen,
More
Bianca.
chance to
No.
Listen, Bianca, we can do this the easy way or the hard way,
No.
okay?
I want my lawyer.
You have one more opportunity.
I want my lawyer.
Come on, let's
I
go.
want my lawyer. I want my lawyer. I want my lawyer. I want my. I want my lawyer. I want my. I want my lawyer.
Okay.
Give me your arm.
I want my lawyer right now.
Bianca, why are you doing this?
They're doing it to me.
Bianca, place your hands behind your back. Stop. Bianca, stop. We don't
No,
want you to get
I
hurt.
want my lawyer.
Bianca, give us your hand. We don't want you to get hurt. Do you understand that? Stop. Bianca, stop.
I want my lawyer.
Stop it.
This is
Relax.
illegal.
Bianca, it's not illegal. Relax.
This is illegal. You didn't even have a search warrant.
Bianca, relax. You were a harm to yourself or others.
No, I wasn't. I was laying in bed.
We had credible information.
No, you didn't have it.
You're under-
I want the
you're
proof.
under yourself.
I want the
Bianca.
proof. I want the proof.
Stop fighting.
No, I want the
Bianca,
proof.
stop.
No, I want the proof.
Hold on. Relax. We don't want. Keep your head up. We don't want you to hit your head.
Break my arm then.
We're not gonna break anything.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
All right, breathe. Relax.
Just quit fighting. You're making it harder on yourself.
I want my lawyer. This is illegal.
Okay, what's your lawyer's name? What's your lawyer's name? We'll give him a call.
Call an appointed one.
What's your lawyer's name?
Call an appointed
You want a
one.
public defender?
Yes.
Okay.
Right
We're gonna speak to
now.
them once you get to court.
Right now.
Yeah, I want you.
Right now. Liar.
You want to try to get fingerprinted now? No? Alright, come on with us then. Alright, I'm just going to hang on to you so that way you don't fall or anything, okay? We're going to head right this way, we're going to take a left. Have a seat back there, watch your head. I'm just going to buckle you in, okay?
The suspect was charged with burglary for unlawfully entering a residence and causing property damage and interference with custody for taking a child without legal authority. She was additionally charged with resisting arrest due to non-compliance during detention. A charge of criminal damage or endangering was included based on the risks created during the incident. Remember, custody disputes combined with emotional instability can escalate quickly into serious legal consequences. Law enforcement prioritizes child safety and lawful custody orders when responding to family-related emergencies. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This situation spiraled so fast once emotions took over. The officers stayed calm despite constant resistance. Custody laws exist for a reason. This could have ended much worse. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the body cam captures next saves a life pause and comment what you do here. The next incident is when raging mom refuses to pull over with child in car ends badly.
Out of the car now. Get out of the car now.
Get off of me. I'm about to.
I told you to get out. Take care of your daughter. Out of the car.
I'm not gonna tell you
get. You kicked me, you're catching a felony. Don't be kicking me.
She wanted to hit me.
Okay.
She did hit me.
But she wouldn't stop the car to let you out. And then she kept driving when I got behind her.
Trying to be a
On September 18, 2023, officers responded to a moving vehicle incident after a man called 911 during a domestic argument, reporting that his wife refused to stop the car while their infant was inside.
Open the door. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car now. Get out of the car now.
Get off of me. I'm about to.
I told you to get out.
And I said I'm about to.
Get out now.
Don't touch me.
Now you're going to come
Don't
out of the
touch
car.
me.
Get out.
Don't touch me.
Get out. Come to the back of the car now. I told you just get out. You're going to go to jail now. Get out. Get out of the car.
Just get out. Ain't no key. Just get out.
Hey, hey! Out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car. Down on the ground. Not to take it. I'm getting her out of the car, and I'm stopping. You understand that?
Get out the car! Why am I doing the CJ?
Get out of
doing the CJ?
I got one resist.
Get out of me!
Officers calm the scene, ensure the infant's safety, and separate the involved adults. The child remains unharmed and under supervision.
Stop! I got another unit here.
No! Get off of me!
Why would you do
Get
that?
off of me!
Why would you just
Get off of me!
Why would you just
help me, Hooker?
Get off of me!
Just help me, Hooker.
Get off of me!
Ready?
Get off of me!
We're just gonna get her cuffed.
Hey, give me your arm.
Calm it down, man.
Get off of me!
Stop.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get the fuck off of me!
Thank you.
Good, man. You're gonna hurt yourself, young lady.
Get off of me!
Take care of your daughter. And we'll figure out what's
Get
going on
over
with your daughter, whoever.
Look, I need to double lock them. I need your hands so they don't tighten up too much. Don't kick me. You kick me, you're catching a felony. Don't be kicking me.
Get off of me!
Put her back in my car real quick.
Yep.
Stand up for me. Thank you.
Get off of me!
Calm down.
Hold on. Relax. We're taking the Louis off. We don't want to damage your Louis.
Got it?
Yep.
Awesome, thank you. Anything on you that's gonna poke and stick me? No, you good. Have a seat.
The father explains the incident began after an argument related to phone activity, stating he asked to exit the vehicle but was not allowed to do so.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
All right, dude. What is going on?
Me cash app.
Okay.
Send a cash app to a girl.
Okay.
And she just went to pull off the handle and kept driving. I said, y'all, you're not doing this to me because I know her. She just keep riding and riding and riding and riding. Went to the doctor to get something for my son. Went to the doctor today. We get some medicine for my son, my baby. So they didn't have the medicine. So she's mad by my phone. She kept going. I told her to turn around and stop. She threw my phone out the car on National Road. I gotta go find that.
On 40?
Yeah.
Okay, said she was hitting you?
Officers clarify that while no physical assault occurred, refusing to stop the vehicle and continuing to drive created a safety risk with a child present.
Well, that's what he told dispatch.
No, I said don't hit me.
Okay. Well, dispatch was telling us that she's hitting you.
No. She didn't hit me. She wanted to hit me.
Okay.
She did hit me.
But she wouldn't stop the car to let you out. And then she kept driving when I got behind her.
And then I told her to pull over. Just pull over. Make it easy. Don't just pull over. All I wanted her to do was all I wanted was separation. I didn't want her this. I just didn't want no violence.
Right.
Me and her just got into it because she lied and said I hit her. And I shouldn't be in the car with her. I'm just for my kids. Her car messed up, man. I'm trying to take care of my car. I got 3 kids. Right? I'm trying to be a man for my kids.
Okay.
And she just won't let me. It ain't about me and her. Let's shit understand. It's about me and her. It's not about me and you. It's about them. I can't take you to the store because her car messed up for them. So they can get what they need.
Yeah.
She did this.
Yeah. You got your ID on you, bud?
Yeah.
Did she have her driver's license in that bag?
Wow, she got a license.
Does the car come back to her?
It's my car.
Your car? Okay. So whose kid's in the car? Yours?
Yeah.
Just yours or yours and hers?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys have a kid together?
3.
Okay. But she never hit you.
Never.
But she was threatening to hit you?
She just was
acting like she was going to?
She was mad. She didn't hit me. She did not hit me. I'm not going to lie.
All right. Well, I don't want you to lie, but...
Yeah, she didn't hit me. She didn't hit me.
All right. I mean, it's a serious situation.
Police advise the woman she is being arrested for failing to comply and obstruction-related offenses. Miranda rights are read.
She's running from us. There's a kid in the car. Is your driver's license in here? Ma'am, is your driver's license in here? Listen, I'm going to talk to you real quick, okay? As of right now, you're going to jail for failure to comply. Probably obstruction. I'm going to let you know right now, you have the right to remain silent, okay? Do you understand these rights I just told you? All right, ma'am. Need you to fill out a statement for me. Just put what happened, why you called 911. She's going to jail today regardless. Yeah. At least failure to comply and obstruction. All she had to do is pull over and explain to me things, and then all she had to do is get out of the car. But she don't want to listen, you know what I mean? I understand she's upset.
But you call 911 and dispatch saying she's hitting you and won't let you out of the car.
No, she ain't.
So that's also unlawful restraint, too.
She ain't.
But she wouldn't stop to let you out of the car.
Oh, yeah, she would.
Yeah, so it's unlawful restraint.
Officers conduct a safety check of the vehicle and verify the infant's condition while explaining the legal implications to the father.
How much you guys got in the car? I can smell it when I open the car door. Ain't it all? No vape pens, nothing like that? Did you guys smoke in here earlier? Okay, well, I am going to take a look through the car. So, okay, that's fine. I'm just telling you right now I'm going to.
I need my phone from you.
I'll get it. You on probation or parole?
No.
Okay. Are you guys married? Yes? Okay. You don't want to fill out a statement? You don't want charges? I mean, where's my pen at?
It's under the clipboard.
Yeah. Well, she's still gonna go to jail.
She got mad, went
Okay.
right, man.
As far as what we got
right. I went to the store to get the stuff for him.
Is this hers? Okay, she wants it, so I'm gonna take her phone. I thought you said, is that your phone? Is that? I thought you said she threw your phone out.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you got another phone?
Yes.
Okay. You guys okay? You all right? All right. Feeding the baby? Yeah. How old's the baby? 2 months. Where'd you guys coming from tonight? The grocery store. Would mom not stop? Was mom hitting dad? She never hit dad? That's good. Well, unfortunately, mom's gonna come with me for tonight, okay? But she'll be back. I mean, I know. You got this stuff.
Officers explained that the pursuit was limited due to the presence of a child and that continued driving significantly elevated the risk.
Well, it smells like a lot, man. What is this stuff? The commercial stuff? From like Michigan? Well, that was not. Okay, it is. It's what? Not from Ohio. It ain't from Ohio. I'm not here to hit me up, man. I'm gonna take a look. This is her phone, right? All right, you got all the kids' info? All right, she's gonna go to jail tonight. I said for probably at least obstruction, endangering children, failure to comply. So, and then resisting arrest.
Is that failure to comply though? A misdemeanor?
It should be a misdemeanor.
Misdemeanor.
Yeah. She wouldn't pull over. I got behind her. She kept driving until you finally talked her into pulling over, I guess. She knew when I flipped, turned my lights on, she knew I was after you guys. And she hammered down. She was probably doing 100 mile an hour. For me to catch up to her, I was doing that. So she's putting them kids in danger, man, over something stupid. I was getting ready to turn off the lights and just let you go if you didn't stop, because I'm not going to chase you with kids in the car.
The woman is transported to jail. The father remains with the children and is provided instructions and contact information.
All right, you got any questions for me?
Where's she going?
Miami County. She won't have a bond till tomorrow.
Even though it started in Montgomery, she got to go to Miami?
No, it started in here. It was, when you called in on Scarf Road.
No, I called Montgomery, switched over to Miami.
Yeah, well, all the crimes that I saw happened right here on 202. I'm not charging her with anything that you called in about. So it's just the start of it. If she'd have pulled over and we'd have talked this all out, she'd been in the car going home with you today. But since she didn't want to listen, she wanted to drive off, she wanted to resist arrest, she's going to jail. All right? So let me get a good phone number for you. I got your information. All right, man. Well, good luck to you. So she going.
That's what I do. I told her, just stop. So I said stop. I didn't want to go. I just wanted to.
I know.
I just wanted to separate.
We could have talked it out and been fine, but she didn't stop.
I just wanted separation. That's all I wanted.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I understand.
I didn't want her.
Step this way. I worry about people hitting cars and smashing you.
I didn't want her going to jail, man.
I know.
That's not what I wanted, man.
I know. I understand. I hate doing it in front of the kids, man, but you got to listen. You know, when I ask you to get out of the car 5 times and you don't listen, and then you get back in the car, you know, that's an issue.
Hell no, alright, man. She's a kid, okay? Yeah, my kid's alright, man. I don't need to be seeing this shit.
should have just pulled over and we'd have talked this all out.
She should have just went home.
If you're saying she never hit you, never threatened you, then you guys have been good. But you gotta stop. You gotta listen. So that is what it is, man. I'm sorry it came down to this. But you're good to go. I'm gonna run her up to jail. You good? Good as you can be? We're gonna be heading down to jail. Do you want to tell me what happened tonight? You don't want to? Okay. Nothing illegal in your bag? Okay. Should go through it real quick and make sure. So he said you got mad at him because he cash apped some other woman. Do you know where about you tossed this phone out so we can go find it? No? Zofran? Is that what that is? Do you have a prescription for it? Okay. How long ago was it you had your baby? Okay. I never said you did. I just gotta look. You ever been in trouble before? I'm sorry?
Years and years and years.
Years and years ago. How old are you? You're too old to not be listening and getting in trouble. With them kids in the car? Why didn't you just stop? You know what I mean? Like, if y'all would have stopped, if he said you didn't hit him, we would have just talked this out and you guys would have been on your way. But now you got facing all kinds of charges. You know what I mean? Like, just stop. It's not, at that point you hadn't done anything wrong.
The woman was charged with obstructing official business and failure to comply with a lawful order after refusing to stop her vehicle. She was also charged with unlawful restraint for preventing a passenger from exiting the car during the incident. Additional charges included endangering children due to continued driving with an infant inside the vehicle. Resisting arrest was added based on her actions during the arrest process. Remember, escalating conflicts while driving significantly increases risk, especially when children are involved. Immediate compliance with lawful police commands can prevent situations from worsening unnecessarily. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This could have ended much worse with a baby in the car. Pulling over immediately would have avoided all of this. It's scary how fast arguments can turn into dangerous situations. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the body cam and tell us if you would have done the same. The next incident is when cops save kids from extremely dangerous woman at public pool.
Without permission, you took their child and threw him in the pool.
I tossed him in the pool a couple feet, yeah. You people, look what you've done.
No, ma'am, you did this yourself.
Animals probably get better treatment than me. You're gonna look back on this day and regret it.
On May 05, 2024, officers responded to a public pool after reports that a woman interacted inappropriately with a child without parental consent.
Man, I like your hair. Let's start there. I'm going to wear it up from there.
There's a woman, she's like, I don't know, you'll see her, but she's off her rocker, or she's drunk.
He was sitting on the steps and she picked him up and tossed him in the pool.
Tossed your kid in the pool?
She was basically
Has no
weird,
idea how
like
to
being
swim.
weird, like, annoying us, but we were like being nice to her. And then
She came
he
and
was
sat
playing with
down.
toys, and she was like,
She came and sat down by him, he was sitting, took him and tossed him into the pool. And then she admitted it and said it doesn't matter.
She said,
He wasn't upset. He doesn't seem to
yeah,
care.
I'd say, like, man, please go over there, leave us alone, and she just kept.
She's like, I was thrown in the pool and I'm fine.
Kept coming at us.
Really touched other people's kids.
Okay.
And then she took some goggles from my son
and threw him.
And just threw him. And then when I asked her to get him, she's like, you can get him. I'm like, no.
He doesn't know.
Parents state they do not wish to press charges, but want the woman removed and evaluated due to concerning behavior.
She's still in there?
Yeah.
now?
She's in there.
She keeps kind of coming up and trying to get
She's starting to start.
She just was up there, yeah.
I'm gonna do my investigation, but would you want to press charges for her throwing your kid in the pool?
I mean, I don't really care, but like I care.
I just want to know if she lives
I just don't want her to
here.
know.
Oh yeah, we're gonna figure all that out. But
But we think there might be some mental instability. Got it.
yeah, we'll evaluate her for that.
Yeah.
Say that. All right, man.
Yeah, just don't want her lingering around.
Yeah.
The neighborhood.
I don't. Right.
Like I don't want to know her name or address or anything. She's kind of crazy.
So you guys wouldn't want to press charges? You just kind of.
I don't think so.
Officers questioned the woman who admits to the action but denies wrongdoing or malicious intent.
Make her leave or something. I ain't never seen her before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that her?
I'll go talk to her. So what's going on today?
Yeah. You might want to get their story, or did you get that already?
I talked to them a little bit, but now I'm just trying to get your side of the story.
Well, I'm heading home. You want to meet me at our house?
No, we could just talk right here.
All right, what do you got to say? What do you want to ask?
I just want to know what's going on.
What do you mean what's going on? I don't know what's going on. What do you tell me?
All right, let me give you the information I have, and then we'll see if you could help me piece together everything, right? So basically, they're saying that without permission, you took their child and threw him in the pool.
I tossed him in the pool a couple feet, yeah. Yeah, is that like wrong? Is that a law against that?
Yeah, well, you can't like grab other people's children.
Yeah, well, I wasn't doing it. I didn't do it with bad intentions. I mean, because you had bad intentions.
Police explain that touching or handling someone else's child without permission is a criminal offense.
Maybe we could have something happening.
Okay, but you can't grab other people's children and throw them in, especially an infant, and throw them in the water.
What do we do now? Do we lock me up in jail? Throw me away?
Well, I want you to explain what's going on a little bit more, because I mean,
there's really no explanation.
Do you understand?
I don't have anything to explain.
Do you not understand what happened?
You did that? Well, for fun.
For fun, but yeah, but it's not your child.
That was okay with that?
Actually, no, I didn't actually get free permission. Did you get permission from your parent to come out here today and talk to me?
I did actually.
Well, you did? Oh, did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, was she?
But this is my job.
Oh my gosh,
but I'm a grown man.
Oh my God, you broke the law.
But I'm a grown man.
But there's law about that. It doesn't matter whether you're grown or not.
I'm not grabbing other people. Can I speak?
Wait, is there a law?
Can I speak?
Is there a law?
It's called battery, right? You committed battery against the...
So you lock me up?
Okay, ma'am.
The woman refuses to properly identify herself and becomes argumentative with officers.
How about this? Do you have your ID on you? Can we start that? I don't know.
No,
actually,
I do not have my
Okay, what's your
ID.
name then?
Eileen. You know what? Do we really have to do this? This is like crazy. Talk to them a little more. I mean, I don't think that they have...
Eileen, what's your last name, Eileen?
You know what? I'm sorry. I don't really think they have a complaint.
Eileen, what's your last name?
Complaint. You really want to do this?
Eileen, what's your last name?
It is K.
K.
U.
U.
L.
L.
C.
C.
S.
S.
A.
A. That's it?
R.
Do you have a middle name, Eileen?
Yeah, I do. Do you?
I do.
Okay.
What's your middle name?
Why?
What's your middle name?
Why do you want to know it?
I need to know it to identify
Why
you.
do I... Oh, well, you know what? You don't...
Look, I'm Sergeant Cavis with the Sheriff's Office. I'm one of the supervisors. You put your hand on a kid against their will. That is a crime in the state.
I did not know.
I'm talking. I'm talking.
You people.
All right, turn
All right.
hands right back.
Thank you,
Give me your
folks.
cuffs.
Look what you're doing. Look what you've done.
No, ma'am, you did this.
Officers place her under arrest after continued non-compliance during the investigation.
Yourself. They didn't even want to press charges, but we got to identify you. So you're at least going to jail for resisting now. You want to play games? This is what you get, okay?
Keep walking. Come on. Have a seat.
Have a seat, ma'am.
Sit.
I'm sitting.
You have to put your legs
I don't want to get in this
You're
car.
going all the way in the car,
I do not want to get in this car.
You're going all the way in the car.
You know this. I don't want to get in this car.
Okay. And I don't want to come to work some days, but I still do.
Well, you have to do it. You know what? You don't. What do you do it for? Why do you come work?
To protect the little kids like that.
You know what?
Additional witnesses describe property interference and erratic behavior around multiple children.
He was not.
All right,
he was not in danger. He was not in danger.
I got it. Hey, did you see what happened over here?
I caught the tail end of it. My 16-year-old and my 10-year-old were here.
Okay.
And when I walked up, my 16-year-old said, hey, she took our goggles and just threw them.
She took y'all the goggles too?
Yeah, just threw them. And I said, man, when you grab my son's goggles, well, he can get them himself. I said, well, he can't swim. That's why he's in the shallow end.
Okay.
She's like, oh, he can't swim. I'm like, no, ma'am.
Okay.
And she just kind of got up in everybody's face. You know,
Okay.
man, I'm
Okay.
mentally unstable or something like that.
I think that's where we're at right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna do investigate. It might fit the statute for robbery by sudden snatching by her taking the goggles and chucking them, depriving him of his property. Are you interested in pursuing charges for that, or do you want to just see if we get her evaluated? Okay.
Get her some help and get away from my kids.
Okay. All right. All right. Sounds good.
Stop. A spare tire. Hey, excuse me. Let me out of here, please.
Can't do that right now. I'm sorry.
Please unlock my door. I'd like to get out of here, please. Let me out.
Do that right now.
Why?
I'll tell you in a second, all right?
No, tell me now.
Just give us
a second.
The woman repeatedly states she is resisting arrest while continuing to argue during transport.
It's over. Let me out of here, please.
Northbound in front of Boyd. So you
Drop me off at my house. I live just down the street.
You're being arrested for resisting without violence, okay?
And what will be the great outcome about this all? What is the purpose of it all?
Because you committed a crime.
What is the crime?
resisting without violence.
What's the other crime? Is there no other crime?
That's the only crime.
Why is that a crime? Why is that a crime, sir? Because what? You know, exactly tell me why. I don't know that's a crime. Tell me why you think it's a crime.
I mean, is there anybody that lives with you that can pick up your bike?
You know what? Why can you tell me why it is a crime to resist without violence? What?
When you come out, you're gonna turn around and I'm gonna put my
I'll
handcuffs
turn
on.
around. Okay, good. My handcuffs are on me already.
We're gonna put his handcuffs on you. I'm gonna take
Why?
I want my handcuffs back. These are his handcuffs, alright? Alright.
Hey, do you folks really think who's this complaint? Who's complaining here? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Excuse me. Why is this happening?
Well, you're going to jail for resisting us.
For resisting what? I didn't resist anything.
So.
You know what? Of course I wouldn't resist. Why should I like agree to this? I'm not agreeing to this.
Okay. You have a good one now.
A good at what? A good what? What do we have a good what at?
A good day. I want you to have a good day.
I'm not having a good day, sir. If you want me to have a good day, you shouldn't not let your buddy put these other cuffs on me.
Okay.
How can anybody have a good day putting you
in the car? Back into the car. Come on, the back of the car.
I don't want to do this. I am resisting. Let me know. I am resisting this arrest. I want you to know that. I am resisting.
Alright, we're just gonna leave your bike here since you don't wanna...
You know, I am resisting this arrest. I want you to know that. And my bike is here, fine. I'm not worried about it because I live...
Officers transport her to jail and confirm formal charges related to the incident.
I live in a good, safe neighborhood and it's gonna be just fine. Just leave it. Take me to f***ing jail if you have to, you asshole. I am resisting this arrest, yes. Put that... So you can't, charge me with resisting arrest because I'm not resisting this arrest. So just leave me right here, you know? Why bother going through all this bullshit? I resist this arrest. Hey, you know what? On the way to the lockup, can you stop by my house? It's right around the corner, and let my husband know if he's probably aware already, but let's just do this. Right around the corner, sir.
Final stop will be Circle K.
I'm not stopping anywhere besides the jail.
Oh, fine. And then what do I do there? Get a phone call to call him and let him know? Duh. What do I do at the jail, sir? What do I do? Sit there for what? How long? Whatever. You know what? Maybe you should have this done to you someday. And then, you know what? I'm sure you would quit your f***ing job. You wouldn't do this to others.
I don't commit crimes.
Well, you know what? I didn't commit a crime either, sir. But you're committing one right now. You know that. It's called kidnapping. It's called holding somebody against their will. That's what it is, and that should be a crime. And if it's not, then whatever. Then you're innocent. I'm innocent too. We both are. Yet you're driving me to a lockup, which I'm already locked up now, and you know what? It gets worse because I've been through this shit. I might get tased. Have you ever been tased before? Oh, you have? Just in training, right? But not, you know what? Not when you're locked up. You know what? It's up, isn't it? Do you like being tased? Did you like it? No. Okay, well, you know what? I don't like it either. And you know what? It happened to me too.
Don't commit a crime.
But not with my consent. Maybe you consented to it, and it was fine for you and all fun and games. But you know what? I don't want to be locked up. Maybe you do for fun and games, but I don't like it. It's not my idea of a good time. I can't believe someone could get put into jail. What if that was my own child and I tossed him in the pool? Can I get arrested? What? No? Or yes? Toss him 2 feet away from me. I wasn't trying to kill the child. I mean, why would you have to bother me over this? What's going on? Can you do that and drive? Really, sir? Isn't that illegal to text and drive? Apparently, we're both breaking laws here, aren't we? I broke some kind of law. I don't know, the law about tossing a baby into a pool? Really? Hey, if you want to throw a conscience here, you could turn this car around and bring me back to my house. Yes, you can. You can actually. You actually can, but you're a f***ing whip. You're a f***ing asshole. Or whatever you are. Whatever you are. You're just a f***ing, you have no balls, you have no conscience, you have no love, you have no love of other people. You're whatever you are. Okay, drop me off and it's not your problem, right? Let it be somebody else's problem. Prosecute me for nothing. I did nothing wrong. And you're like contributing to this whole thing. You're a big contributor, and you know what? You want that on your conscience? Go right ahead. You know what? It's part of your life. You got to live with it. If that's you want to like be, you know, fine. Live with it. Feel good. Feel good about it, or you're gonna feel bad about it later. You'll probably feel bad about it later, but you're doing it anyway.
During transport and processing, the woman continues to protest. Deputies ultimately charge her with aggravated child abuse and resisting an officer without violence.
Because you have no whatever. You're doing nothing wrong. You're just doing your job.
What's a good phone number for you?
You know what? I don't have a phone, so what does it matter? My phone is like, no, I don't have my phone on me, so, you know, it doesn't matter, does it?
You don't know your phone number?
No, I do know my phone number. I do know it. But why should I tell you? Are you going to call me? You know what? I don't have my phone with me anyway.
Is it 777?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe it might be that. Yeah. Why?
Just asking.
Oh, okay. And I say maybe, yeah, maybe not. You know what? I don't know your phone number, and I don't want to know it. Even if you told me, you know what would I do with it? Would I call you someday and say, hey, dude, hey, you remember arresting me on this day? What was it? What's the date? May 2nd? You remember arresting me and taking me to jail and lock me up? You put handcuffs on me, put me in the back of your car, treat me like a animal, and not even animal. Animals probably get better treatment than me. You just have to, you know, treat me like crap. Why? Would you treat yourself this way? Would you? Really? Think about it. Would you want to be treated this way, dude? Tell me. Really? Is that why you have this job? Because you like, you know, harming other people, hurting other people? Really? I'll give you my number and you can call me and you tell me one day why you did this to me. Really? Tell me now, in fact, without my phone number. Tell me right now, why you do this? Why? Oh, really? What's the crime? Throwing a baby into a pool?
That is also a crime.
Why is that a crime? Tell me, where is this written as a crime, and how do you know this is a crime? I've done it with my own children, or my own child, and I wasn't arrested for that. Why am I getting arrested now? I don't get it. What? So, I've thrown other children. I threw my sister's child in a pool, and that's not my own child. Today is a crime? It became a law like yesterday? I didn't know there was a law against it. You know, I really didn't. I didn't know it was a crime. You know, I didn't actually. When you say throw away, does that mean like throw away, wish you were dead? You know, maybe I could see maybe that being a crime. I didn't have any malice in mind. How did these laws become an act? I mean, do you know anything about those? Is that why you're doing this? Because you're not sure what you're doing, and you have to let somebody else decide? I guess so. That's how it usually goes. Hey, what's your name?
Deputy Bishop.
Deputy? Are you Deputy Bishop? What's your first name? Are there more than one Deputy Bishop in the Flagler County
There's not.
Sheriffs? Okay. Alright, then that's enough, I guess, right?
Badge number's 1.
I don't need your badge number. I don't need your birth date or, you know, your social security number. I really don't think I need that. I don't care who your brother is or your father is or your mother is, you know? Why are you freaking taking me over here to a jail, lockup? Do you actually know what happens to people that get put in here? Do you know? Is that why you're doing? Are you some kind of masochist? Why do you do this to me? Or have you ever done this before? Is this your first time? Maybe that's why. Oh, I get it. Okay. You don't know. This is like your first training day. Well, you know what? You're gonna look back on this day and regret it and quit your job. and I hope it happens soon. What? I hope you plan on it. You should, man. Oh my God. I guess you don't. If you took this job, maybe you didn't plan on it. Maybe you want to have a 3,000 year career of it, right? I mean, you chose this profession. This is what you want to do, right? Forever. You might live longer than 100 years. You want to keep doing this? Really? Nice, dude. Real nice. You better rethink your profession.
She was charged with aggravated child abuse based on handling a child in a manner deemed unsafe under state law, resisting an officer without violence due to repeated non-compliance during the investigation. Further legal outcomes depend on court evaluation, evidence review, and any mandated assessments. Remember, even actions that may seem playful to a bystander can create real danger and legal consequences when they involve another person's child. If someone near children appears unstable or intoxicated, call authorities and keep kids at a safe distance. Let professionals evaluate and intervene. This is the reaction of netizens to the situation. So glad someone called you, just don't grab other people's kids like that. She seemed out of it. I hope they get her the help she needs and the kids stay safe. Officers handled a chaotic scene and prioritized child safety. Good to see them de-escalate and secure things. You think this call can't get worse? The BodyCam captures the exact second officers rush and comment if you felt that spike. The next incident is when mom gives up child's custody in the most unexpected way.
We didn't technically abandon him, but I know that's what it's called. He's just not safe there.
And he can't come home because I'm not having him harming her. He took a knife and cut himself and climbed out his window and called the police on his own.
He said that I had called him.
And
I've given him everything.
On August 25, 2023, officers responded to a child welfare office after a report that a mother refused to retrieve her 16-year-old son from a care facility due to ongoing safety concerns.
Hey, how y'all doing? Alright. I am Deputy P.B. Ball County Sheriff's Office. Alright, y'all have an idea of why y'all are here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, may I ask why y'all? Why are you?
We didn't technically abandon him, but I know that's what it's called.
Okay.
Yeah, every time.
She details a long history of behavioral issues, prior placements in group homes, and multiple interactions with law enforcement and juvenile services.
He's in a group home. Every time he comes home, he runs away, and he's done threatened her life. So.
And y'all have the records.
And y'all have all the records, and.
He's just not safe there.
And he can't come home because I'm not having him harming her or harming anything else there, and all he's going to do is run away and harm himself. So we just didn't go pick him up from the group home today, and they charged us with
they've known us for 7.5 months. This was our intention.
Oh yeah, numerous times. Yeah.
Yes.
It's not our shift.
I know.
Take the warrants out.
I know.
Okay. So
yeah, I'm very familiar on him and the whole thing.
And we have to go to court Monday morning at 8:30 in front of Judge Rutherford. She is familiar with John.
Officers confirm there is an active juvenile case and that the matter is already known to the court, child services, and the assigned judge.
He's still got a case pending. And we've told DFACS and we've told the group, and we told the behavior center, it's just not safe because he has said, I want to go home. But then when he says, I want to go home, and you say, well, why do you want to come home now? After 3 years of not wanting to be there, it's so I can run away again. And I can't let him come home and run away and get hurt.
Yeah.
I love him too much.
Okay. We have warrants for y'all. Alright. Is there somebody y'all?
Is there already a bond? I'll call it 21. Jeannie Jones and Ashley Herndon, and we knew that this was probably going to happen, so I've already texted Jeannie earlier and told her, and she's calling Ashley.
The mother states she repeatedly asked for additional state support and believes the current charge resulted from escalating disagreements with child welfare officials.
This all happens on day shift. Miss Ellis with DFACS.
Oh yeah, Jocelyn. Yeah.
She's got to know his mental capacity.
She does. She's been out our house and she knows that there's no abuse or neglect. I have emails
saying that she can't go get him. And I know why she's doing this. She's doing it because she has refused 3 times to take him. And I finally said, I don't understand how the state of Georgia cannot help a state of Georgia child. We adopted him from DFACS, and we have got no help during this time. And I told her it was fine. This would be the last conversation I had with her, that I was going to reach out to my state representative, and I did. I called Rick Williams, and Rick Williams got the ball running for her to get him today. It's just spiteful. That's all it is.
It's not our ship. We
I mean, it's nothing against y'all, you know.
Yeah,
it's just,
we understand. But I just want to be able to get y'all situation.
Hang tight. We're going to see if we can go ahead and get y'all bond.
Yeah, we're going to work with y'all because, I mean, I'm not super familiar with him.
Yeah.
I used to work for the city, so.
Yeah.
Deputies acknowledge the family's safety concerns and explain the situation will be handled as a misdemeanor with court proceedings already scheduled.
What's his name? I always want to call him Toad, but I don't know if that's good. Toad. He's been out there. I mean, Garcia's been out there. Everyone's familiar. And
well, that was my lieutenant.
Yeah. And it's just really, I mean, it's really sad because what we're doing is not abandonment. It's for the safety of him. Because he's going to run away again. And all these juvenile shootings.
It's not even the fact of his safety at this point. It's the fact of everybody's safety.
Yeah.
Do y'all have other kids in the home?
I have my nieces this weekend. And that's why I was trying to figure out why y'all were out there. But I went ahead and called my friend who's at the bowling alley, and I was like, I've got to bring the girls to you. Their daddy's in prison. And my niece just asked me, are you going to prison like daddy? I said, no, I'm not leaving you. I'm coming back.
No, you're not going to prison. It's a misdemeanor. We're going to try and get y'all bond, and I would definitely do what y'all need to do as far as court side goes.
Yeah. Well, I have all
The mother describes prior incidents involving runaway episodes and emergency responses, emphasizing fear for both the child's safety and the safety of others in the home.
police records I have. This is the fourth time he's been in a behavior center. He's been at Greenleaf twice for trying to harm himself. He's been at Lighthouse. This is the second time he got out today.
2 trips to RYDC.
2 trips to RYDC. Three to RYDC. It's a safety for us. He has already told him that he's not going to try, because, I mean, would you try to fight him? You just go for the taser, wouldn't you?
It doesn't feel good.
But me, like, he sees me as a weakness. And his mama herself. And we used to be like this. And he's never really had a bond with him. But like I said, we've always been close, and this is killing me.
What happened to cause is there something that happened between you and him?
No, it's just...
He just kept on threatening me, and then he kept on running away. And the last time he ran away, I was like, John, you can't keep on running away. We had deputies coming out there. They told him at first, if you run away 3 times, then if you run away another time, this was after the second time, if you run away another time, we're going to take you in. He ran again. And Isaiah Wright told him, he said, I think it's Isaiah, he said, I'm turning you back over to your mama. And John looked at me and said, I told you I wasn't going to get arrested.
And then they had to come back out that night because he took a knife and cut himself and climbed out his window and called the police on his own.
He said that I had called.
And said that we had done it.
That's what she was talking about.
Yeah.
And then later on, admitted he did to himself.
Yeah.
We was in the bed, we didn't even know.
Yeah.
Officers coordinate logistics as the parents voluntarily comply with instructions, arrange care for other children, and prepare for temporary detention.
I mean, it's like they're knocking on the door, the dogs are going crazy, and I was like, what in the world's going on?
Yeah, y'all got some big dogs.
They're actually
love bugs.
One's a Chiweenie, and she was probably the loudest.
Okay, so, somebody has some food there.
That's
disgusting. Hold on, let me put this away.
So I called our captain of patrol, Captain Williamson, and let him know that you guys have turned yourself in. And he said that he's going to call the sheriff tomorrow to give y'all a bond. Let's see if the sheriff will let y'all get a bond, but until then, you're gonna have to stay with us tonight, okay? Yeah.
Bill Massey knows us.
The truck.
Yeah, it's mine.
Yours.
Do I need to move it?
Yeah, if you could just move it to where the patrol cars are in the line back there.
Okay.
Or you better yet, you probably, so that nobody hits it. Because that's some deputies that don't know how to drive that. You can go park it, not right here in the front, but in the next line.
I just.
Excuse me.
I know. Let me go ahead and take her back.
Oh, you can look back at some time.
It'll
be alright. They're not going anywhere.
No, we're not.
No, they came in. They came in. Oh, we appreciate y'all coming in.
Well, and that's what I told dispatch when they called. I said, I just need to know, because I need to know what to do with the girls. Because I have my nieces. And
are they where they're supposed to be now?
They're with a lady named Fantasia. My friend is out front.
Deputies inform the parents that they will be booked and later eligible for bond, while the child's placement and care remain under state supervision.
Can I go tell her what's going on?
Yeah.
Because she's going to have to get there on the
Yeah.
She was out front.
She was out front.
It is what it is. Still do facts.
It is. And she's just, hey. So, you're gonna have to take care of my babies tonight. Because we've got to stay tonight for abandonment. And then they're gonna call Sheriff Massey in the morning and try to get us a bond.
No, you will get a bond in the morning.
Oh, we will get a bond in the morning.
We don't have a talk with Sheriff Massey.
So please make sure my babies are okay, Tanya. Let them know that she's okay. It's just, I won't let them have to spend the night with Agner.
We're just gonna take y'all, make you lock it.
Tell Sadie, okay?
We're gonna take y'all back there at the same time. I'm gonna cuff y'all in the front just because you have to go through the whole thing. Okay. But we'll do it in here and then.
Do I need to put my wallet and stuff in the truck, or?
You want to keep it, you can. If you don't want to, you don't want to.
You want to put it in there?
You're gonna need your ID.
Yeah, I mean.
You're gonna need your ID.
Yeah.
I hate this.
It's okay. Here. Just take our rings.
Yeah, they're gonna want to take all y'all jewelries, necklaces.
Yeah, he took my earrings off today. They were aggravating me, so I guess God was giving me a sign. It's sad that parents have to get punished for doing what's right for their kids.
Well, at this point, it's not even just the fact that it's what's right for him. It's y'all's safety on top of everybody else's safety.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, we have dogs, we have, and then him cutting himself. I mean, it's just, we've thought long and hard about it. And when he started saying, I don't want to come back, I was like, a good parent would respect their child's wishes. And if he's got some genetics that we're just not equipped to help, we can't give him that therapeutic care that he needs. But I'd be honest with you, I would do it all over again. I would adopt him all over again.
Since he was 8?
Came to us in diapers.
At 8?
The charge is formally explained, and officers reiterate that the court will ultimately decide custody services and next legal steps.
7. He was 7 when he came to us. He was still in diapers and he was wearing a 40, and I've given him everything in my life.
Well, let's get this over with tonight and then get it figured out tomorrow. Just don't listen.
Me neither.
I really feel bad. I do not want to do this.
It's okay. It's no hard feelings. Never was.
That's what we got for. Y'all can do that stuff in court. That's what I would do. Put them like that. Just put them walk. Something that way.
It's gonna be famous. It's gonna be in the Georgia Gazette. Bust the move.
Probably should have gave me her cuffs.
Oh, yeah.
We're not guys out to beat me up or try to hurt yourselves. I can't take this back here. Yeah, no. I try not to use it.
Right.
It's crazy.
You know, the way this world is, it's, you gotta do what you gotta do. You've got to definitely protect yourself.
Oh, y'all don't have any weapons on y'all, do you?
No, they're in the truck.
Just in
Just your buildings.
built-in guns.
Pop off with them damn guns. That's why they left now.
Just child abandonment. That's bullshit. Yeah. Alright. I agree. We'll look like there you go. Just have a small bone. Are y'all refusing it?
I said we won't get no space. I can come back.
Go ahead and call Bill. Tell him to get us out.
Well, they know Bill. They know Bill. We're gonna call him in the morning.
They'll call him in the morning?
Yeah.
He's asleep right now.
I'll leave.
Yeah, he's asleep.
What's the charge?
Child abandonment. Something with defects.
The parents are charged with abandonment of a dependent child misdemeanor. Remember, situations involving severe behavioral challenges can place families in impossible positions where safety and legal definitions collide. When ongoing risk exists, courts and child welfare systems, not parents alone, determine long-term placement and responsibility. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This is heartbreaking. You can tell the parents were trying to protect everyone involved. It shows how complicated child welfare cases really are, not just black and white. I hope the kid gets the treatment he needs and the family gets support instead of blame. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts, and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content. The next incident is when police give rebellious high school student a lesson she won't forget.
Let's start with your name.
What the f do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail?
I don't
Quit giving me your lip. You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a...
On August 30th, 2024, deputies responded to a high school after staff reported a student suspected of possessing a prohibited substance on campus.
Begins as a school search quickly spirals into a violent confrontation, all captured on camera.
Yeah. As soon as I walk in the room, it smells like freaking weed in here. Oh, we got smart mouth.
Y'all are asking the damn same question over and over again.
Hey.
Not be dumbasses.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Let's start with your name.
What the
The student responds with verbal resistance and refuses to cooperate during initial questioning.
do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail? Quit giving me your lip. I'm not a staff. I'm not a teacher here. You're messing with a violation of the law. So you be respectful. You got it?
You're not being respectful either. Asking the same dumb question over and over.
Let's tone it down.
No.
Knock it down a little bit. I'm asking. Okay, well, this is what we're going to do then. Since we're going to be this way. Obviously, you've been to teen court before. Have you gone that route before? So right now, Deputy Cribb, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to...
The student continues to refuse instructions, escalating the situation through non-compliance.
Stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights? Yes? No? You're just going to stare at me? You had to at least say yes or no. A head nod will work. You're on camera. Do you understand your rights? So you're not answering the question because I'm what? I can't.
Dumbass.
Okay, well, here's how we're going to do this. Take your shoes off.
Listen.
Take your shoes off.
Because you're a dumbass. Look, there's nothing in my house.
To this point, officers stayed calm with her, even though she was accused of wrongdoing. But things quickly spiraled when she refused to cooperate. At just 17, her adrenaline was so high that the real chaos began.
Officers interpret the student's actions as threatening behavior and place her under arrest.
You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a
I don't want to see them. I just ask you a simple question. Okay? Why are you getting so violent and so... You better unball your fists.
No!
How old are you?
I am 17 years old now.
Okay. You balled your fist up at me?
I don't...
While being taken into custody, the student continues to resist, requiring additional officers and restraints for safety.
You're under arrest. Give me your hands. I told you to ball your fist. You're going to get in my face. No.
247, you need a transport unit.
Temporal. 17-year-old female juvenile, 1015. Get up. Get up on your own power. I'm gonna charge you with another charge.
Get me up on here. Grown ass man.
Sit down.
I'm already saying you dumbass.
You got anything else on you before they take you to jail? Because they're gonna search again.
Leave me alone.
Okay. Just leave you alone.
What's wrong with you?
I don't have anything wrong with me.
Yes, you do.
So this is a crime.
Oh no.
It's a third-degree felony.
Oh no.
So that's what you're going to jail for.
Oh no.
Third-degree felony. And
Oh no.
and resisting.
Oh no.
Okay.
Mom,
I'm gonna look that one up. That one may or may not apply. I'm gonna look that one up too.
That sucks. It's not my fault you're a person. Are you stupid? It's out of fear, fucking rage.
Okay. Where's all her belongings at?
Bag's right there.
Okay.
That one's mine.
That one's you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna rob them down.
You do me a favor, watch her while I go get some gloves?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You had them in my office.
Oh, that'll work. Yeah, I just need a pair of gloves.
Actually, you might have. You can let me some.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna find the ball at my...
Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. All right, bye. Stop. I told you to stop. Now you kicked me. I told you to stop.
Deputies focus on de-escalation, repeatedly reassuring the student and emphasizing safety and calm breathing.
No. Let Miss Winfield.
2259
Stop.
Circle.
Just stop.
2529 Storm Circle.
I got a hot one car for you.
Stop screaming. It's not helping you.
Dude.
Just stop. Okay, settle down. We'll get off you.
Her treatment was the result of her own behavior, refusing to cooperate and creating pure chaos. She even kicked the officers, forcing them to place shackles on her before finally lifting her into the air and putting her in the back of the patrol car.
Alice. Take a deep breath.
Now, can you just make sure that 173 brings...
Stop banging your head. Stop. Quit. Hey, Alice. Alice. This is a really minor thing. You're turning into something else. Hey, there's no need in it.
They were fighting her to get out on the radio. They're requesting a hobble.
Hey, Palace, we're gonna move you, okay? We're gonna go bring get you up, okay? There we go. Good job. See you later. Thank you.
I do not have a holiday.
You gotta
help in any way you can.
see something to restrain nylon or something to restrain her feet. We're gonna need one. She's gonna kick and show herself. I got leg shackles in my car.
It's okay, just breathe. We're not gonna let you hurt.
Due to her condition, officers transport the student to a hospital rather than directly to detention.
Yourself, but we're not gonna hurt you. Your mom's not gonna kill you. It's okay.
I'm trying to not feel with weed. I'm trying to go with it. I just want to be okay.
I hear you.
I wanted to be happy, but it's the only thing that makes me happy now, and I don't know why. And I don't want it to be the only thing that makes me
Palace, I hear you. Palace, I hear you. You don't need to scream, okay? We're here listening to you.
Got something better.
All right.
Take some deep breaths. Why is everything so fucking hard for me to do anything?
You got charges for...
Yeah, I got possession of THC, battery Leo, and resisting.
Okay. All right, come on, pals. Fort Walton Hospital. Where you park?
Right front.
J-Rock. You got that door? Go ahead. Go settle down.
Hey, LT, you want to grab her other leg, please? Somebody, just for support underneath. Thanks. I got to slip it. I didn't want her legs to hit.
It's unlocked.
Grab seatbelts. Hit the button.
Someone on the other side?
Yeah, LT's going to the other side. I'll hang on to her. Okay, I got her. Hang on to her bags. All right, you got her. I'm getting out. I'm sliding out. Go ahead. Thanks. All right, come on. All
Alright, pop that on. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright.
See your full name.
You got a bed. Yeah, a wheelchair or a bed or something. You hanging with me in there? Give me just a second, we're gonna get something to roll with you. Now we ain't gonna care.
At the hospital, the student becomes cooperative as officers complete the arrest process and documentation.
How about that? She's been a little less than cooperative. I think she'll simmer down now.
Okay, fellas, you're at the hospital, not the jail, so these people are here to help you. They don't need you yelling and fighting and screaming, okay? Understand?
So, if I take that hobble off your feet, and I let you sit up on your own, you able to do that? You gonna be cool with us? I'm gonna take it off her feet so she can swing around.
I want you to run or play or do anything silly. You're not at the jail, okay?
Keep this up from under here, thank you. Alright, just give your feet a second, let them stretch. I know they're probably asleep or something. Alright, we'll set them right there. When you're ready to sit up, let us know and he's going to help you sit up, okay?
There's a wheelchair right here for you, okay? You're just going to have to sit down in this wheelchair whenever you're ready.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing your legs around and I'm going to put them kind of in the front of you, okay? He's going to help you sit up at the same time, alright? There you go. Alright, get your legs under you. There you go.
You just come out towards me.
Alright. Let's scoot that side. She's coming that side. Where'd that come from? Probably in her pocket. I got it. I'll go give it a credit.
The student was charged with possession of THC battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest. Remember, refusing to cooperate during a lawful investigation can quickly escalate a manageable situation. Remaining calm and following instructions helps protect everyone involved, including the individual being detained. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This could have gone very differently if emotions didn't take over. It's a reminder that choices at school can have serious consequences. De-escalation really matters, especially with young people involved. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts, and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content.